Okay, first thing, I changed the sprite name to be launcher. So you can do that here from arrow to launcher. Now I'm going to the monkey and I would like to get him set up. So first of all, when he's clicked, what do we want him to do? Well, we'd like him to go to the arrow and probably size him down. He's a little too large. So let's do that. First of all, motion. Want to go to, not random position, but we want to go to the launcher. We also would like to set his size. So let's go to look, set size instead to, let's make him a third of the size or 35%. Let's click him. Now he's there. And if we go to motion, set the rotation style, and we'd like to keep him constantly like this because we don't want him rotating around. But that's by preference. Okay, so what do we want to do? Well, we want to launch him when we press the space bar. So if we go to events, when space is pressed, we want to launch him. So first of all, let's make sure he's at the launcher because if he's in the game, we don't want that. So let's go to the launcher. Now let's point in the direction of the launcher. So point towards something. No, sorry, we want a number. So we want to point here. And then instead of this number, we want to put an expression which is going to give us the direction that the arrow is pointing. So how do we do that? We go to sensing. And there's this little block of code called something of something, which is what we need. And this is how we access variables of different objects. So we can look here and we will see our, where is our launcher? Oh, sorry, here we need to switch to launcher. And we want to find the direction of launcher. And that's the way where we want to point. So we want to point in the direction of the launcher. Okay, and next we would like to repeat until something. So if you go to our control, we want to repeat until something, which is similar to a while loop. Do something until something is true. So we want to launch him until he's touching the edge. So let's look at the sensing, and we'll say touching, but not the mouse pointer, touching the edge of the screen. So until you're touching the end of the screen, we are going to move. So motion, move. How many steps? Well, we don't want to move 10 steps. We want to control it with our launch speed. So let's go to our variable, get our launch speed, and put it in there. Once we've finished, touch the edge, let's go back to our launcher. So say control, go to launcher. So if I run this program now, I press space, oh, he goes, shoots. Let's turn the arrow. So boom, shoots the monkey off this way. So we have an arrow that shoots monkeys now. We can fire lots of monkeys. Lots of fun, huh?